equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. Welcome to our detailed guide on appliance repair. Today, we'll walk you through the essential steps to diagnose and fix common appliance issues. Let's get started with the tools you'll need. First, gather your toolkit. You'll need a screwdriver set, including Phillips and flathead screwdrivers, a multimeter for electrical testing, and a set of pliers. Having a clean workspace is crucial, so ensure your area is tidy and well lit. Now, let's dive into the first step, diagnosing the problem. Start by unplugging the appliance to ensure safety. Check for any visible signs of damage, such as frayed wires or loose connections. If you're unsure about the issue, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. This can save you time and effort if the problem is complex. Next, let's focus on cleaning the internal components. Dust and debris can cause appliances to malfunction. Use a vacuum with a brush attachment to gently clean around the motor and vents. For stubborn grime, a damp cloth with a mild detergent works wonders. Once cleaned, it's time to inspect the screws and fasteners. Ensure everything is tight and secure. If you find any missing screws, replace them immediately to prevent further damage. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transporting your appliance. Now, let's move on to testing electrical components. Using your multimeter, check the continuity of wires and connections. If you find any faulty parts, it's essential to replace them. Always quote before repair to ensure you're aware of the costs involved. After replacing any damaged components, reassemble the appliance carefully. Make sure all screws are tightened and that no parts are left over. This is a common mistake that can lead to further issues down the line. Finally, plug the appliance back in and test it. Monitor its performance closely. If it's still not functioning correctly, don't hesitate to reach out for help. Our service includes no calls, no travel, making it easy for you to get assistance without the hassle. In summary, appliance repair can be straightforward with the right tools and knowledge. Remember to diagnose the issue, clean internal components, check screws, and test electrical parts. If you encounter any difficulties, our professional services are just a call away. Happy repairing. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.